500 का कैप
by
नो नो नो
person.
500 का कैप नहीं होना चाहिए था, 200 का होना चाहिए था. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Apurva. I make content on beauty and lifestyle. So please take a moment, hit that red subscribe button, also press that bell icon so every time I upload a video you will get notification. And today, so my friend Priyanka is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so in this video, I'm going to test her with her perfume knowledge. देखते हैं कि वो कितना सही guess कर सकती है price, कितने notes सही guess कर सकती है. So let's go.
And my knowledge in perfume is any 5-year-old's knowledge in math subject. I'm very bad at it.
So the first perfume I make her smell is this.
Okay, so now I have to name the brand and also the range, right?
Like fragrance कैसी लगी तुझे इसकी?
Okay.
And brand मैं बाद में बता दूंगी.
Very fruity and it has very strawberry notes. And it's very shimmery also, so I guess it's a shimmery perfume. It's from Victoria's Secret for sure. And the range would be around two. Okay, what's the cap? Did you tell them what's the cap?
Oh, I forgot to tell the cap. Cap is 200. Like up and down, she can tell 200.
So I feel this is $8.99.
8.99 for Victoria's Secret. Seriously?
Okay, so I guess 2K.
1500. 1500, and it's a body mist from the Victoria's Secret. This is the packaging.
Okay. Yeah, pretty packaging though.
The notes were on point.
Okay. Oh, the notes are
Packaging कैसी है?
It's very pretty.
How
And
much?
she has worn it right now, I guess.
Yeah,
also.
exactly. Yeah, this is what I am wearing.
Yeah.
This is a body mist, and yeah, it retail for 1500.
Okay.
She was close. And how much will you rate this body mist?
Honestly, I am a foodie girl, not gonna lie. So for me, it would be like a 8. Because I'm giving benefit of doubt to all the other perfumes she might have throughout the video.
Okay, nice. On to the second perfume.
So I feel it has a lot of woody notes,
Okay.
but it's still floral. You can sense like jasmine-ish something. With the notes is what I'm feeling. And the brand, can you show the packaging if you hide the logo? Okay.
This is what the bottle looks like.
It's very obvious bottle. This is obviously Versace, right?
Yeah, right.
And the range would be how many mls is it?
90 ml.
So it's Versace is obviously costly. Somewhere between 10K.
Wrong. It's 15,500. 15,500.
See, I'm telling you, 500 cap is necessary. Come on. please.
No.
See, if you are getting a pro, it's fine. But I'm a noob, bro. Like, please.
Okay, then 500 cap would be fine.
Okay, fine. Okay, 50.
Okay.
But I feel that you are more of a fruity gal for sure.
Now she will know whether I'm fruity, I'm woody, or what.
Okay. Wood to aa raha hai. Wood. Is it true? Is it woody?
Yeah, it is woody.
Like very musk. There is also a musk smell I'm feeling. Can you show the packaging? Is it the $1 million something company?
No.
Okay, the price range would be
2,500 or
25,000.
25,000. Wrong. It's 4,000. The Tafa.
Dude, the packaging looks so expensive, so I really thought it would be like more than. And the quantity is also like if you see the packaging, the quantity is like huge. So is this the Dubai one?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's the UAE.
nice. Is it long lasting though?
Yeah. Very.
Really?
Very. Also, if you haven't watched my perfume collection, then I will link it somewhere here or here, so you can just go and watch it.
मुझे तो ये पता पान का स्मेल आ रहा है पान if pan was a perfume it smells like that
No,
okay
not at
right
all.
off the bat वैसा है अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा डेवलप हो रहा है
Okay, just take some time.
those birds are like dancing right now just the amount of shock it is getting
But you are not a perfume person now.
not at all मैं दो सूंघी हूँ मेरी जिंदगी में जो मेरे खुद के परफ्यूम है आज आप मेरे को ऐसा
I have more than 25 plus perfume, but not for this video.
इसके नोट्स मैं बता नहीं पा रही फ्रूटी तो है वुडी तो भी थोड़ा तो वुड है इज इट वैनिला
Yeah, it has vanilla.
ओके वैनिला में बोल रही हूँ और तो मुझे नोट्स कुछ रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा एंड
It's very floral.
फ्लोरल तो दिखा
हाँ,
इट इज
because okay,
पैकेजिंग
this is what the packaging look like.
very princessy is it a known brand like a famous Armani range वैसा
Not really.
तो मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा नेम but
Okay.
I would guess the price would be around 6K
No, 2000. It's from Ajmal.
what is Ajmal is it a perfume brand
Yeah.
that's how you know I'm very new at it
On to the fourth perfume.
मिक्स फ्रूट की स्मेल आ रही है ओ आई गॉट माय हेडेक हो गया ब्रो कितना स्वीट है बहुत स्वीट है स्मेल
Yes, this is a sweet perfume. It's more on sweeter side.
damn I got diabetes by only sniffing it bro show the packaging
This is what the packaging look like.
okay yeah it's like any average like
Yeah,
is it like that Nyka's Wanderlust
yeah.
Collection.
Nykaa Wanderlust. Yeah.
oh okay range is 400 to 500
Like for the big bottle or the tester?
is this the big bottle or is it this tester
Tester.
350 then I was right 350
She told exactly 350. She got a point.
okay very vanilla only vanilla I can and ये मेरे को ना सस्ता vanilla लग रहा है मेरे को
Yeah.
महंगा
It's a
vanilla
artificial vanilla. I know.
is it plum
Yeah. Exactly. Plum make the very artificial vanilla fragrances.
it is
But although they last super long.
and I feel the price range for plum is around 400
Yeah. Almost
कितना है फिर
600. Yeah, she got a point.
my nose but मेरे को नशे हो रहे हैं मेरे को सच में नशे हो रहे हैं परफ्यूम के
Perfume के नशे कर रही है. I hope you can tell the notes. Like it's very evident.
wood
Yeah. Yeah, woody.
woody and but can you give me a hint like is it a makeup brand's perfume
Yeah.
Nykaa
Yeah.
okay so Nykaa it is
So mostly I have EDP.
okay 1500
Yeah, close.
how much
1800.
1800
No, like on offer you can get it for 800 and MRP is 1000.
ooh okay है ना मस्त है ना tone
Yeah, musky.
it's definitely a night perfume because it's very deep
Yeah.
it has a lot of depth it's very strong and you said it's a luxury perfume right
Yeah, you can count it as a luxury.
मेरे को एप्पल का भी स्मेल आ रहा है पता है थोड़ा सा
Yeah, it has hint of apple. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a glass bottle.
is it a famous line luxuries में से
No.
that I will definitely not use
Okay, then guess the price.
6K
Yeah, close.
कितना
5500. On offer, I got it for 5500.
मेरे को पैकेजिंग से ही पता चल गया मतलब the next perfume she's spraying I know it by the packaging that it's YSL
Yeah,
उसका वो staple वो एक logo हो गया
exactly.
oh I love it this is something that I would like definitely fruity
It's not fruity.
wood
Yeah, it's woody.
Gucci का floral perfume मैंने जब
No, it's very different from Gucci Flora.
Gucci. Yeah, I obviously know by
Yeah.
the packaging, but it
Yeah,
is
she know by the packaging, like YSL, classic YSL packaging. And okay, then tell me which perfume is this? YSL का कौन सा perfume है? If
is
you
it
have
Lady Scarlet?
no
Then I don't know.
YSL Intense Libre,
No clue. No clue.
Libre Intense. This is Libre Intense.
I know audience would be crying from the other side saying that this girl doesn't know shit. But like perfume, guess karo.
Okay,
Range.
now guess the price.
Is it in 20s?
No,
Lesser than that?
yeah,
Okay. 15,000.
11 or 15. कैप होता है ना? हाँ, कैप पूरा है ना?
11,000 क्या?
हाँ
No, but you said it's 11,000, no?
हाँ 11,000 और तुमने 15,000 बोला है.
हाँ तो वो 5,000 का कैप हुआ. तो you
Oh.
won.
Yeah, she doesn't get a point. Sorry, my maths is so bad. My maths is not matching at all. थोड़ा सेटल होने दे परफ्यूम को, उसके बाद.
थोड़ा फ्रूटी तो है.
हाँ, फ्रूटी नोट्स है इसमें.
इसका प्राइस रेंज वनीला भी थोड़ा मिल रहा है मेरे को. थोड़ा वनीला भी मिल रहा है.
No, it doesn't have vanilla.
ओके. तो फ्रूटी है ना.
हाँ,
प्राइस रेंज एंड दैट इज द फुल साइज राइट उसका.
या फुल साइज है एंड मैंने ये इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर से बाय करा है.
तो ज्यादा महंगा नहीं हो सकता है. समवेयर बिटवीन 1K. I like it. Oh my god, it's so good, guys. If a perfume can make you smile, this is that perfume. It's so watery. मतलब what aqua वाला fragrance
हाँ,
है,
exactly.
aqua. And is it a big brand?
No. Yeah. मतलब like if you consider makeup, then it's a quite big brand.
Plum?
No.
Nykaa?
Yeah, Nykaa. And cap.
अब दिखाओ उसका पैकेजिंग कितना है.
वही है, छोटू. Travel size.
Nykaa का छोटू 350.
Yeah, 350.
Yeah. Bro, I will buy this, bro. Thank you. I mean, because of you, I got to get to try such perfume.
This is Martin and Flora.
So it's not aqua.
No, the perfume name is.
Oh, okay. Now I said,
I love this.
it smells so fresh.
है ना? I will send you the link.
Yeah. Okay, interesting. Yeah, it smells like a men's perfume. You know, it doesn't smell like a female perfume. For some reason.
But somehow it's a female fragrance.
Floral only. Like कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है डायरेक्ट कोई पौधे का स्मेल है. मतलब कोई फ्लावर का स्मेल है.
हाँ, it has very floral fragrance.
Like मुझे लग रहा है मोगरा. Oh, mogra, no.
Mogra.
I was like, I have smelled it somewhere.
Yeah, it has fragrance of mogra.
Yeah. So
And-
आपके टेस्टर वाला है. 350.
350. Yeah, she gets the point. And कितना रेट करोगे? Although मेरे परफ्यूम कलेक्शन को अभी तक
अभी तक I will rate it a solid 8, bro. Like solid 8.
Okay, more to go. This is my favorite fragrance. If she doesn't like it,
We
I'm
can't
not
be friends.
going to talk to her.
Very grass musk. Wood.
Yeah, wood.
Very strong, bro. Like nighttime type से ये तो.
Yeah, it's. Yeah, you can wear it in day. You can wear it at night, like anytime.
Very strong it is. Like मेरे को headache हो गया. सुनते मेरे को headache है. हुआ. Very strong it is. Can you show the packaging? Okay. Is it skin?
Yeah, skin.
थोड़ा मैं cheating कर. अंदर ही है ना?
हाँ, 20,000 के अंदर है.
17.
Wrong, it's 2000. 1995.
Bro, it smells very expensive.
This is my third bottle. Which
And how long lasting is it?
कपड़े धोने के बाद भी स्मेल आता है. लाइक कपड़े मशीन में धुल जाए उसके बाद भी स्मेल आता है. Until and unless अगर तुमने कंफर्ट नहीं डाले तो.
Ah.
This is my third
But
bottle.
not my something I would wear. Like not something I would wear. But if you're wearing it, I love it. But not something I would wear.
Oh, this is my third bottle, which is also
Yeah.
empty. What?
Very good.
Yeah.
Musk. Musk
Hmm.
का भी बहुत है. A slight bit of थोड़ा floral.
Hmm. It's a basically it's a unisex perfume.
Brand is it a popular brand?
In luxury category, definitely yes.
Armani,
No,
Gucci,
no,
LV,
no,
Chanel.
no.
Can you tell the first letter?
T.
Tom Ford.
Yeah.
Tom Ford. Okay. Okay, the range, right? Tom Ford is expensive. 10K?
Wrong. 25,000.
भाई साहब जो 25 का निकलता है 2500 का निकलता है 2500 का लगता है वो 25,000 निकलता है ये मिडल ग्राउंड बोलो भाई.
There is no middle ground for me.
Oh my god, how is Tom Ford expensive than Versace, man?
It is. So, how much will you rate this perfume?
On a guy, a solid 10 on 10. But on a female,
It's like, yeah,
है ना?
nice. On date night, it would look
Sexy. Okay, very strong for sure.
Okay.
They're very feminine at the same time. Pure vanilla, right?
Yeah, it's pure vanilla.
Okay,
So, you know, this is expensive.
yes. Can you show the packaging? Dude, see, I can't even guess the brand because there's no brand logo on this, but it looks so pretty. But is it a UAE brand?
No, I don't know, but probably it's not.
Given that the packaging and all, I would say this is around 5,000.
No.
Then?
No, it's 10,500 or 10,900 something. So, how much will you rate this?
I would honestly like wear this to date nights for sure.
Yeah, exactly. And
Uh,
how much will you rate this on 10?
9.
9.
Very floral and a bit aqua.
Yeah.
800?
Yeah, price is 800.
Exact.
699. Cap
Okay.
tha. Cap tha. So you got the point.
Yes.
How much will you rate this perfume?
A 7.
So last 4 perfume to go. Next perfume.
मुझे बताइए
एकदम से मत सुन.
ये कोई वो अपन खाते हैं ना लाइक कोकोनट की सब लाइक कुछ स्वीट. It smells only like coconut.
No, but it doesn't have coconut to fragrance.
Do you refer your?
Yeah.
No, what
It,
is it?
it doesn't have coconut.
No, what is this? What are the notes?
Caramel and vanilla. So you know which brand it is.
Plum.
Yeah. The vanilla caramel.
Oh. So is it a big bottle or the small?
Small.
250. Never go wrong. Interesting. Notes. Okay. Woody.
Yeah.
Bit fruity also.
Yes.
Vanilla is also there. A hint of vanilla.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I can think of. And the brand, can you show the package?
Brand is from an influencer. So I hope that's the hint. Also, she deal in makeup.
Makeup influencer.
Yeah. She's a makeup and
Do we
lifestyle
both
creator.
know? Do we both?
Hopefully, yes.
Is she like currently famous or she has been famous since
Yeah.
2 years?
She's been famous for quite a long time.
Indian?
Yeah. Of course, Indian.
What? Is it Shreya Jain?
No.
Ashna? No. Ashi?
No, they
Asha
don't
Shroff?
have brand. Anam Chashmawala.
Oh, I thought she had like the verified.
Yeah,
It's a verified
yeah,
perfume.
yeah.
Verified as perfumes? I thought it was
Yeah.
a makeup product.
They also have perfume. They deal in perfume too.
Oh, okay, okay.
So how much will you rate this?
First of all, if I get the price, it's like around 500 because it's a tester.
No, no, not really. Like combining all three or individual?
Individual.
No.
Then
900 for all three.
honestly, it's not something I would wear daily. A 6.
A 6 on 10. Okay. Last two is also from verified.
Aqua. Very fresh. Lilies. Jasmine. Yeah, I would rate this. I would actually want to wear this daily. So I would rate it a good 8.5.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. You have to guess what is my taste of signature perfumes after me rating this all for you.
All
If
right,
you-
I will guess it, and I hope I will get it right.
Yeah. Damn. So strong, man. It just goes up the roof.
By the way, I love this one.
It's very musky. You like musk perfume.
Apparently, yes.
It's not my vibe at all. Maybe like a detergent का soda है.
Hey, this is so good.
I have got a lot of Apurva's feelings, but I don't know. It's just so strong. Like a man perfume. I wouldn't see a woman wearing this.
But I do wear it.
Yeah, you do, but I wouldn't associate this with it. But it's verified also, right? Like, is
Yeah.
it a tester package? Then the
Ah.
same amount, right?
Yeah, that's
300.
yeah. So, how much
Rate-
will you rate this?
On a woman, 3. On a man, 8.
Okay.
2,000 years later.
Like,
I guess I got majority right. Like,
Yeah.
not majority, like 8.
she got quite a few right, and now she will tell which perfume she liked the most among my perfume, like mini perfume collection. Like this is not my
Mini?
full.
I,
Yeah.
I wouldn't say that is mini.
Yeah, that's the mini. So, which perfume do you like the most?
Definitely this one, the
Okay,
YSL one,
the
stand out,
signature.
and the Nykaa Aqua one.
Like these two perfume you like the most from your from my collection.
Yeah. I would want to purchase it by myself also after going home.
Okay.
These are that good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now it's my turn to guess which note she liked the most. So basically, this is pure aqua fragrance. So aqua notes you love the most.
Yeah, apparently, yeah.
So this is very bossy and what I would say a little bit of musky vanilla.
Yeah.
So you like very like a minute hint of vanilla perfume.
Yeah.
So
Definitely.
did I get it right?
Yeah, aqua plus vanilla.
Aqua plus vanilla is her vibe.
Yes, definitely correct.
Of course, I know I am a perfume holder.
Sure, yes, for sure.
Okay, so guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, please subscribe to her channel as well. I will link it down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.